So, tonight's game was Call to Adventure, and we have this tradition at our house. When we finish our board, we have to tell the story. That includes all our hero cards, our anti-hero cards, our origin, our motivation, and our destiny. So, being a DM, I take this part into consideration when I'm playing the game. Sometimes it costs me to lose the game, other times I win the game. Tonight I lost. So, I think I made a pretty good story though. Alright, so I am a hunter named Leroy Jenkins. And my father taught me how to hunt. But one day, when I was out and about, I met this man named Cletus. And he was a very wise man, or so I thought. He trained me very viciously. Some might even say he was a cruel master. And one day, he led me far away from my family. And I realized that this was for a cruel betrayal. By the time I figured it out, I was already an orphan. I just narrowly escaped. But in that escape, I learned a harsh lesson that instilled fear in me. I was relentless in training as a spy, and I even learned dark secrets thanks to the Dark Lord. Luckily, I was actually born lucky. And while I was training these dark secrets, I was convening and communing with nature. In my time, I was able to invent all these things, and not only did I invent these things, I did not keep them for myself. I gave them willingly to the poor, because being an orphan, I myself was poor. Now, being more grown, I realized that I am one with nature. And because I was one with nature, I had a somewhat supernatural ability. I was told of this fire, this living flame that was burning all of the forest in the nearby town. And I was thinking, how can I beat such a fearsome foe? And I thought back to my hunter days, and I was like, if I got lucky, maybe a surprise attack would work. And then I remember my father's blade that he said never to touch. And it was so bright. I remember him only using it once, and it had the light of the sun in it. And by using the sun's light, I was able to extinguish the fire and became one with nature. Alright, so that's my story. Let us know if you do anything like this. This is a game that, like I said, is very D&D-like, so if you have never played Call to Adventure, I highly suggest it. It's a great game. You're kind of tableau building. You have these awesome runes that you're just kind of chucking. Yeah, I highly suggest Call to Adventure from Brotherwise Gaming. Thanks.